Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech command prompt video. In this video, we're going to look at not only the help or getting help from DOS, but we're going to look at the DOS directory command. Now, the DOS directory command is basically equivalent to, in your File Explorer, looking at a folder. Directories and folders are basically the same thing. So I am looking at my C:\users\DH Perry folder here in File Explorer, and here in my DOS window I'm looking at the same folder. So I've got the .android. The order may be a little bit different in some cases because of sorting and things, but I've got the .oracle JRE. Coming down, I've got a contacts. And if I scroll, here's the contacts. So I'm seeing basically the same files. To get help for almost any command, if you type the name of the command /?, you'll get a help screen. And normally at the top of the help screen, what you see is the command itself. You'll then see any parameters that you have to have. Anything that is in square brackets is optional. So in this case, drive, path, file name, those are all optional. In fact, with the directory command, everything is optional. With the directory command, we type dir and hit enter, and we get the current directory. The current directory that I'm in is the C:\users\DH Perry directory or folder. So if I do dir with nothing else, I get that listing. If I want to look at another directory or folder or drive, I can do that. Where it has the drive : that would be the drive letter C, D, E, F. So if I do dir and do an E : and press enter, I will get a list of what's on my E drive. I can also look at a particular folder. So if I do dir, and as long as I want to stay with the C drive, I don't have to put the drive letter, but if I wanted to look at a different drive, I would put the drive letter. In this case, I'm going to put dir \users, and that will show me the users folder on my C drive. Had I done C:\users, I would get the exact same thing. Now again, looking at the help, I've got a lot of other options. Most of the time, the only thing you'll do with the directory command is you'll give it a drive letter and a path and possibly a file name or group of file names. Those are wildcards, and we'll look at those in a different video. Some of the other options you have. /A will let you look at certain attributes of files and display those. So if I do a /AD, I'll get just directories. So all I'm seeing here are directories listed. If I do a /S, I'll only see operating system files. So those are some of the other options. I can also look and change the way it shows file sizes by using the /C, and it puts commas at thousands and millions. Rarely would I use that. The /W option for wide I do use a lot. It shows a wide formatting of that directory. I can also order it or sort it so I can see the listings in a sort order with the /O for order, and then I tell it what I want to order by. The name and the extension, size, date, time, group. So if I order it by, say, size, now I see directories first, and then I see the files in increasing size. So I've got a couple of little small files and then this very big Jimmy ISO file. Sometimes ordering by name or by extension size, date is good for helping you find things. If the directory is long and doesn't fit on a single screen, if I do a /P for page, it gives me one screen at a time. Then when I hit the space bar, it will give me the next screen and the next screen. If it's really long and you've seen what you need to see, if you do a Control-C, that will break you out. Control-C will break you out of it. Now you can combine these. So I could do a directory /wide /order, let's do by date /od. I can combine all those. And now I get it ordered by date. I'm not seeing the date because it's a wide format, but I'm seeing it ordered by date in the wide format. I can also add other drives. So I can tell it to do it on the E drive in the root directory. And now it's showing my E drive in that order. So there is an introduction to the directory command or dir command, as well as using the Windows help screen, or the help commands in the command interpreter. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.